G'day folks, Tracy Sheen, the Digital Guide, back with another AI tech tip. Now, you've probably heard of Slack. It's been around for quite a while. And while it's a really cool app, I know there's a lot of people that kind of struggle to get their head around all of the different channels and things that are going on. Now, Microsoft Outlook has something similar, Google has something similar, but if you are struggling as a small business owner to connect with other members of your team, with clients or with suppliers, and keep all of your conversations in one location so you can find them, then AI is really starting to step up and help with that. So you might want to check out programs like Google Workspace, even Slack. If you use Teams, Microsoft Teams Front is another good one to check out. And all of these will collate all of the information under one thread, so you're not having to go through everything to try to remember where you're going. So if you're like me and you've got an inbox that is out of control, you're going to love leaning into AI for this kind of stuff. It's going to increase your productivity. It's going to make your brain make sense, and it'll keep everything in one location for you. So have some fun with it. This is definitely one you want to check out, and I'll catch you again for another tech tip.